Good morning, my third grade students. Today, we will be learning how to multiply. Some of you may know how to multiply, but I'm going to teach you a different strategy to use. But before you get nervous, I want to tell you a secret. Multiplication is repeated addition, but with the same number. In other words, multiplying is having one number and adding it again and again and again, depending on the second number you're given. Now, are you with me? Repeat after me. Multiplication is repeated addition. All together. Multiplication is repeated addition. Let's do that one more time. Multiplication is repeated addition. All together. Multiplication is repeated addition. Let me demonstrate for you how to multiply using repeated addition. If I was given 4 times 3, they want the product. The answer that they want is the product. Okay? So I'm going to have, this number is my first number. I'm going to have 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. And each group is going to have 3 cubes inside of them. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, I've added 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. And this is 3, 6, 9, 12. So 12 is my sum if I add it, and 12 is my product if I multiply it. Do you understand? So the first number is going to be your groups. 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. And your second number is going to be the amount in each group. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then after you're done with that, you're just going to count them all together to get your answer. Okay. Now let's do another one. Okay, so we have steps. So our first step is to find out what is our equation. Step 1. So our first equation is going to be, we have 3 orange trees. And we have 10 oranges per tree. So I have my step 1. I know what I'm going to be multiplying. My second step is going to be drawing my groups. So this is going to be 3 times 10. So now, step 2, I have to draw my groups. 1, 2, 3, because that's how many groups I have. So, second step is done. My third step is figuring out how many oranges I have in each group. So, I have 10 oranges in each group. So, I'm going to fill in 10 in each circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 here, 10 here, and 10 here. My last and final step, which is step 4, is going to go ahead and be adding all of the oranges. So I'm going to add, this is going to go down here. So 10 plus 10 plus 10. And that's going to give me 30. And that's my answer. So I would put in here 30. So step 1 was figuring out how many orange trees I had, which are my groups, and figure out how many oranges per group, my equation. Step 2 was determining my groups. Step 3 was determining how many pieces I have in each group. And step 4 was adding all of the pieces together to get my sum and my product. We're going to do one last one, and then I'll go ahead and let you venture off on your own. If I have step 1, if I have 5 pizzas, and each pizza has 6 slices, I want to know how many slices I have altogether. My second step would be to determine my groups. So my group in this example would be my pizzas. So I have 5 pizzas, so I'm drawing 5 circles for my pizzas. And you don't have to draw circles, you can draw pizza, you can draw whatever you want, but just you need to know that that indicates your group. Step 2 is done. Step 3, I need to figure out how many slices are in each pizza. So as the problem told me, there's 6 slices in each pizza. So I'm going to go ahead and make 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And step 4, my final step, is to add them all together. So I have 5 groups and 6 in each group. So I'm going to add 6 5 times. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. So that's going to give me 30. And 30 is going to be my product when I multiply, and 30 is going to be my sum when I add. Now you do one. If you have 2 cars and each car has 5 seats, how many seats do you have all together? So just keep in mind that multiplication is repeated addition. The product you get when you multiply is going to be the sum you get when you add. If you have any questions, please leave any comments or email me. Thank you and have a nice day.